Hello dear subscribers and new friends, welcome to Pure Delicious. I hope you're doing great today. Take 2 chicken breasts that weigh about 1 pound or 450 grams. Cut them into thin strips. You can also use chicken thighs if you prefer. Pat the chicken dry with paper towels. This helps the seasoning stick better and also gives the chicken a nice golden sear instead of steaming in the pan. Season with 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt, a half teaspoon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Coat the chicken pieces with the spices. Warm 1 tablespoon olive oil over medium heat. Spread the chicken strips in a single layer. Let them sear undisturbed for 2 or 3 minutes until the bottom is golden. Meanwhile, let's prep the other ingredients. We need 900 grams or 2 pounds of cabbage. This recipe takes humble ingredients like cabbage and chicken breast and transforms them into a bubbling golden bake you'll want to make again and again. Flip the chicken and sear the other sides for 2 minutes. Remove the first batch of chicken and sear the remaining pieces. 1 small yellow onion. I'm using yellow onion because it's naturally sweet and mellow, which blends perfectly with the chicken and cabbage without overpowering the dish. By the way, this is yellow onion. It just looks white on camera because of the lighting. Add a drizzle of oil to the same skillet. Add the onion and cook for a minute or 2. One red bell pepper. I'd really love to know, which part of this amazing world are you watching from? And how's the weather over there? I love hearing about all the different places my viewers are watching from. Drop it in the comments. It really thrills me to see how far my recipes reach. Add the bell peppers and cook with onions for 3 minutes. Mince 1 large clove of garlic. I was wondering how many of my videos have you watched, and how did you like them? If you enjoy my recipes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. Stir in the minced garlic and cook for 30 seconds. Now, add the shredded cabbage to the pan. Season with half a teaspoon of salt. We can adjust the salt and pepper to taste once it's all cooked. Add half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Or if you have fresh thyme on hand, use about a teaspoon instead. Now, give it a good stir, letting it soak up all those flavors. Cook for about 4 to 5 minutes until the cabbage wilts down, or a little longer if you like it extra tender. Mix 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs with a tablespoon of olive oil or melted butter. This will give our casserole a nice crispy finish. Dear friends, a like or share goes a long way. It helps my channel grow and motivates me to keep sharing new recipes. I truly appreciate your kind support. The cabbage has softened and reduced in volume. Let's take it off the heat. Transfer everything to a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. If you have leftovers, this dish keeps really well. You can refrigerate it for up to 3 days or freeze it for up to 2 months. Reheat the leftovers in the oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. If frozen, thaw it in the fridge overnight first. Cover with foil to keep it from drying out and remove it in the last 5 minutes to crisp the topping. Now, layer the dish with the seared chicken, distributing it evenly over cabbage. Add an 1/8 teaspoon nutmeg to 3/4 cup or 180 milliliters heavy cream. For a lighter version, you can use half and half instead. Pour the cream over the dish. This helps keep the chicken juicy and adds a rich, creamy flavor. Top the casserole with 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella. Or mix in some cheddar or Gruyere for a richer flavor. Sprinkle the breadcrumbs over the dish evenly. Or if you like, you can use crushed crackers for a different kind of crunch. Bake in preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. And broil for 2 or 3 minutes to get a golden crisp topping. Our yummy bake is ready. The cheese has melted beautifully, the breadcrumbs are crisp, and the smell is just mouth-watering. Sprinkle a pinch of chili flakes for a kick. And chopped fresh parsley for a pop of color. I'm telling you, this recipe is really worth trying. It's packed with flavor. Even picky eaters who don't usually like cabbage will love it. The chicken is juicy and well seasoned, the cabbage tender with a gentle bite. And the creamy sauce brings everything together. The golden breadcrumb topping adds just the right crunch, with a hint of thyme and nutmeg in every bite. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.